Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, you'll learn the best online free plagiarism checker. First of all, let's do it by proof. Let's take a topic or urban migration model. I will copy this text and I will paste it here. I'll click on check plagiarism. It will take few seconds for processing the thing. Here you can see the plagiarism is 98%. So let's check the website URL. This URL and this URL are the same. So we can say that this website shows the accurate plagiarism rate. Now I will show you how to use your Qtext account to check unlimited odds with unlimited accounts. First of all, you have to click on your Chrome browser 3 dots and click on incognito mode. Now type email on deck.com. This will appear this homepage. Click on I am not a robot. Just verify the picture. That's it, and now click on get email. Now we will have a private email plus sign to new tab. Now we have to type Qtext, Quetext.com. You have to click on login and now click on sign up. You will use your temporary email for this purpose. Copy your email and paste here and write any password here. So I'll take this as password. So I'll paste it here and click on create account. Click on no thanks. You can submit your assignment here or work file here by clicking on this, or you can paste your odds here. You can only use 1500 odds here. You can use Qtext for unlimited times and unlimited odds by using new accounts for every time, and it will go for unlimited times for your life. And thanks for watching this video.